I was hoping I wouldn't have too much to do for a little while. But we've had a bit of a problem with the well. So while the ground is also sodden and the water's so high, we certainly can't get it properly fixed. So I'm just going to put a fence around it. So I've just been out to buy a big old fence and a load of poles. So we just got to fence off the well and make it safe. And that means no lounging around on the terrace drinking smoothies, just working. I'll do for now. Yeah.
Calling this a little bit of a problem is highly understated. Since we are here, our big well has been missing some stones in the wall, and we told ourselves that one day we need to fix it before it gets even bigger. In hindsight, it was really silly to wait that long. It was a red flag that we professionally ignored much too long. And in the last night of heavy rain, a big part of the wall got washed into the well, and now it became a major project.
Wall collapse. Major subsidence event. So you can see what's happened in all the heavy rain. It's just got too soft and part of the wall was already damaged, and all that's just fallen in. Literally all those rocks have fallen into the well, and all the rest of it is clearly unstable. A lot more could fall in any minute, so I'm going to try and put a fence all the way around just to keep animals and people away. With all the stones and a little bit of earth that have fallen in, the water level actually came up maybe 20 or 30 centimetres. That's life on a farm. There's always something new coming up, you never know what to expect, and it's usually involving money.
$3.9. Goes in so nicely when the soil is wet.
Yes.
Robin likes to make fun of my excellent body weight drilling technique, but therefore he doesn't know how to film without seeing your shadow or fingers.
It's such a nice day today, I've had to take my t-shirt off.
Your t-shirt?
Sorry, I've had to take my jumper off. This is beautiful Portugal January weather. Although yesterday was horrible and cold and windy and rainy.
Yeah, in fact so much rainy it brought our well down.
Yeah. Whew. Okay, well that's all the posts in. Now we've got that job of putting the fence around. We don't have to make it perfect, it's not going to be here the whole time. We won't have any sheep trying to push their way through, but still a job to do. No. Well,
It's not back-friendly lifting what you're doing there, Robin.
no, it's not. It's very, very bad.
Has to come out of the legs.
Find the end.
Oh, Robin, really bad, really bad.
It's really
I will
bad.
show that on YouTube how you're killing your knife.
I'm just trying to lever this out.
Yeah, but not with the blade, man.
How else then?
I just mentioned the back-friendly lifting and now it happened. Robin pulled his back. Back? Nein, you see? Let go, I have it. I show you now how you do stuff friendly for the back. Go away, go away. Sit in the shade.
The local knowledgeable friend of ours came along the other day and had a look at the disaster area and gave us a few ideas, a few options, one of which was concrete rings, but in his knowledge he told us that the largest ones you can get are only 2.5 meters across, so that would be like half the size of this, so we'd lose a lot. Also, they're very expensive. And because the well's deep, we'd need about 8 or 10 of them, and it would cost like €2,000, and that's just ridiculous. But he also said he can fix it, because he is Mr. Fix-It. He said, we've got all the stones, they're down there. So during the summer or the end of the summer, after the water's gone out and we can pump out the rest of it, he reckons he can insert some metal into the wall, into the soil there, and actually rebuild the wall. We've got to wait until the end of the summer, but you know, okay, that's fine. It's fenced off, it's safe. So, see you back here in about 6 months.